Hi everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show you my visual testing tool, or service, if you will. So imagine I have a Sudoku game and I already took care of all the markings, so every time I run the game, it creates the same board, so the data is the same, and it also replaces the timer with this component, so it always shows the same time. What can I do if I want to confirm the visual appearance of a game board? So I've written a Cyclope npm module, which is a Cypress plugin. I already installed it and I added it to my plugins file right here. And now in my spec file, all I have to do, just I have to import it, and it will provide additional Cypress custom commands. So right now, after we load the data, after we confirm that the field is correct and has been rendered, I want to take the snapshot of entire board. So I can say Cyclope, that's where the name Cyclope comes from. And I'll say board and I'll give it PNG because I want to generate this image. So notice what it's doing. The first time it runs, it has to wake up the service if the service is asleep. So it took almost 6 seconds. If I run it next time, it takes 1 second. Why is it taking 1 second? Because generating consistent image with fonts, lines, aliasing, browser version is difficult. And I would say impossible for different operating systems. So I don't want to generate this image using size screenshot because it will be a different image on CI from my machine, from your machine, and so on. So instead, the dump snapshot, the one that you see when you hover over Cypress command log, is saved and uploaded as a zip file to my Cyclope image service. And it returns a PNG image. We can see the PNG image right here. So this was generated on a container that's consistent from run to run, no matter where Cypress actually runs, this image will be consistent. So now you can run any kind of visual testing and comparison service like ODIF from Dmitry Kovalenko. Speaking of Dmitry, so Dmitry has this excellent plugin for Hover, which I want to add because, well, I have Hover right here. So I want to generate this Hover and make sure it looks the same in the image. So I already have this plugin, Cypress Real Events, installed, and it adds another command. So where do I want to hover? Well, how about one of its numbers, like number, I don't know, 8, let's say. So I'll say sci contains, and I think this is status number 8, and I'll say realHover. Okay, well, it doesn't seem like it's working. The problem is that sometimes the Electron doesn't show the hover, and I have to switch to another Chrome-based browser. Let's see if we can hover here. Okay, so inside this browser, it really hovers. So once it hovers, then I want to take another screenshot, and I'll say board hover. Let's see. Dmitry is very skeptical about image diffing services because none of them support hover. Let's see what our image shows. Yes, so Cyclope from very start supports hovering over elements, so this is an accurate image representation of a board when you hover over an element. Well, if you're interested in Cyclope and visual diffing, ping me.